Okay, iPhone 17 Pro Max. Long story to get this, but we finally got it. Now, I'm going to do an unboxing of this iPhone 17 Pro Max Orange, 512 gigs of storage. And we're going to compare it size-wise to the S25 Ultra. It's probably number one competitor. And then an underdog competitor, which is the OnePlus 13. We will compare the sizes real quick and see the build quality compared to the Samsung and the OnePlus. Now, it's been a while since I've done an unboxing on a iPhone, but let's go ahead and do it. Now, not much comes in here, y'all know that, but it is a good look at the color, and boy, look at that color. So this is a 6.9-inch display, right? You got the Fusion cameras, 48 megapixel. You got the trio of those. And one cool thing that not many people talk about is the antenna in here. I'm kind of a stickler for service and or modems and or antennas because I live in a dead spot. I'm sure some of my subscribers know that, but Apple did something really cool this year. So on the antenna bands where like an S25 Ultra is, you see that little strip right there? You see that strip right there? Right here, and two right here. Those are antenna bands. Those pick up 5G bands from your carrier. Well, this year, Apple put, as you can tell, there's a 5G band right there, and there's another band right there, right here, and right here. Well, in the camera island, Apple actually placed an antenna that wraps all the way around to this island. You see where it inclines right there? That's an actual antenna. Very clever way for Apple to implement that into their phone. So I'm expecting this to get superior coverage and or carrier services. Now, it was revealed today that this does have the Qualcomm Snapdragon X80 5G modem in it. And I have that X80 modem in some of my Android phones, and it is a very good modem. So we should get really good service here. Beautiful. Put that to the side. So you do get, it does look like the dynamic island. If you can see it, obviously it's not on. This does have anti-reflective display. Now, let's see what it looks like compared to the, now, this has a screen protector on it, which actually gives it glare. So this is probably not a good comparison because as you can tell, the anti-reflective display on the iPhone actually works, and this anti-reflective display on the S25 Ultra technically still there, but the glass screen protector when you put it on does not have anti-reflective properties in there, so it's not really going to work. But those of y'all interested, here is a Android phone with no screen protector on it, so we'll get a good look at the reflective display put in place from Apple and OnePlus, right? So here is the size difference. And there's a 5G band right there. It's about neck and neck with the S25 Ultra. Look at that. Basically the same height. Now let's see, is it just as wide? Yep, feels just as wide as well. And all you can see are the four corners from the S25 Ultra popping out. So it's basically the same size. Now, the iPhone does feel heavier than the S25 Ultra. But let's see. Now, this OnePlus 13 should be taller, I believe. No, it's about the same as well. So size-wise, it's pretty freaking similar. Now, the iPhone is a hair wider, but pretty damn close. Weight-wise, I would say the iPhone probably beats it, right? Now, let's see here. Got your power button. Here's your camera button down there that nobody uses. Type-C. And we will get that special Apple charger that enables PPS charging on here. I believe it's up to 50% in 20 minutes. Now, I believe it maxes out at 40 watts, but that's not the whole story, and we'll get into that when I get that charger. There's a whole backstory that goes into it, but it does charge your iPhone the fastest. And volume down, volume up, and then a action button, right? So very cool, very nice. Let's see what comes in here. Probably not much. You get your Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-C, and I think that's about it. You get a welcome page, a welcome note, and I believe that's it. So it's not much, just the phone, which sucks, but we got to live with that now. So I will turn this on, I will sign in, and we will start testing. Again, this is the Pro Max. We did get the Pro in. I'll probably do an unboxing with that and or comparisons, but we're going to get this started and let the fun begin. Subscribe to the channel, and we will start conducting tests for y'all. We're going to do camera testing, we're going to do battery life testing, we're going to do charging testing, we're going to do case reviews, we're going to do all of the above. So appreciate the time. See you on the next one. Peace.